Ooh, are you girls all ready to show everybody how this ramp is used? Oh my goodness. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this wooden dog ramp. I would say this is probably a medium-sized ramp. Good for pretty much any size dog. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. You know I have cookies in my pocket. Here, I'll give you the cookies, and then you can have them go up the ramp. Memphis will do it. Memphis is like, Mom's got cookies over there. Who's going to go up the ramp? Kira, you want to walk up? Eleanor's like, look, I could just jump up here on my own and jump down. Kira's like, this is how you do it. This is how you demonstrate how a ramp is used, Eleanor. Memphis is like, I'll follow, I'll do it. Oh, good girl. Yeah, good job, Memphis. You want to try coming down? Here, I'll give Dad another cookie. He can help you come down. If your dog has never used a ramp like this before, treats like this will help a lot teaching them how to go up and down it. Oh my goodness, you girls did so good. All right, do we want to show everybody how it's adjustable? So as you can see here, it's adjustable in multiple different heights. This kind of goes up and down, and then it just sets down in here. So you can see now it's higher than it was, which also does make it a little steeper. But depending on, like, if you're trying to help your dog get up on a bed or a couch or something like that, you can adjust the height on it, which is really, really nice. You'll notice it has a really nice handle here. And what I don't think Jamie has seen yet, underneath here is a locking mechanism. So if you close it and then tip it up, there is a lock under here. And you tip it, oh, there you go. And now it is secure, and now you can just pick it up. How heavy would you say that is?
10 pounds? Less.
Yeah, I didn't think it was very heavy. Like, it's pretty easy, which makes it easy to move around, easy to move from room to room if you need to. I do like the fact that it locks, which means you're not going to pinch your fingers as you're trying to carry it around. The top of it is like a rubbery non-slip mat. The dogs didn't slip on it. There you go. The dogs didn't slip on it at all. Our dogs have used ramps like this before. Again, if your dog has never used one, this is also a good way to get them used to it. You can have it be flat like this and just train them getting on and off of it. Good job, Kira. Good job. And then this is how easy it is to put back up. There you go. And it's up. See how fast that was? It's made out of wood, which is nice. You want to go up it, Kira? You want to go up the ramp? Come here. Come on, show everybody. Come here, Kira. Hey, come here. She's like, you don't have no more cookies. Sure do. Hi, Eleanor. Eleanor's like, I just want the cookie. Okay, so we've distracted the other two dogs for a second to properly show you how Kira can go up and down this ramp. Walk up. She's like, check me out, guys. Walk down. That's the other thing you can do. You can put a command to it. And Kira has done agility, so she knows walk up, walk down really, really well. You want to walk down? Walk down. She's like, you ain't got no cookies. Okay, maybe I'll do it. Yeah, good job. And Memphis did it too, so I don't think it's too tall. I think this could be very useful in multiple places in our house. If you're looking for a great dog ramp to use with your dogs, we recommend this.